And stuff. For my kids, I'll use Gang because it's stronger, or I use that yellow tie because it's cheaper. But my favorite tie is the red tie with the Downy, and then I like Downy fabric softener, Downy scent beads. Went ahead and got that load started, and look at my living room, child. It is a hot mess. The kids got chocolate on the pillows. They got food stains on the couch. But no worries, my husband will clean that up. I'm not one of those people where my kids can't eat in the living room. They can't shit. They could jump on the couch. I'm just not that kind of parent. I'm more of a carefree parent, and I believe that everything can be fixed. All right. Anyways, I let my hat down. I tried to fix my baby hair, and I'm just not good at it. I suck. But oh well, when you look like this, your edges can just look a mess. I grab my Beats and my phones. I have 3 phones that I do all my content on. I put some of the Similac bottles on the nightstand, so when the baby wakes up, Daddy could feed him. Grab me some walnuts.
Recordings just got better. Hey, it's Dana from StreamYard. I'm so excited to announce that local recordings are now available on StreamYard. Have you ever done a recording where your guest just had terrible internet?